right, good morning, YouTube. I'm Jenna with Jeepin' and Exploring. I have my sister somewhere up there on that tower, and my niece is a little bit further up. We are at Coot Tower. Thought we'd come out here and check this out. Never been here before. And then see what else we can find. I think I'm gonna, if I can make it up there, go to a logger lake or something. Anyway, just thought we'd get out and see what we can capture for the day and see what kind of leaves look like. What the leaves look like. Oh my Lord. Anywho, all right, I'm gonna climb this tower with them and try to encourage my sister to go all the way to the top since she's afraid of heights as well. Anyway, wish me luck. See y'all up the road. Totally forgot they said you can see the river up here. How pretty is that? All right, YouTube, so I made it to the top as far as I can go. As you can see, there's a door and it's locked. My sister and them are somewhere down there. They did not come up. Anyway, it wasn't too bad. Just a little out of breath because to get all the way up here, it's uphill, but that's what happens when you're fat and out of shape. It's a beautiful view up here, though. You can see for miles, and the colors are beautiful. Anyway, all right, we'll see you guys up the road after I get down from this tower and hopefully make it all in one piece. that short little drive outside of Eminence. It's always pretty just to see the bluff line and the river, and then get to see the trees changing and all that. We're gonna jump on the highway and head up towards Bunker to go check out Logger Lake. Never been there before, so let's see what it has to offer. Down to this Logger Lake. It's tiny, but it's pretty out here for sure. Very peaceful. There is one person out here and they're on a boat on the other side, which we barely got to see them. Guess that's gonna about do it for today. Wasn't a whole lot, mostly just roads to drive. Anyway, so we are doing Whiskey and Waypoints next weekend. Don't forget to come back and watch the footage that we capture from that event. Really looking forward to that. Can't wait to see people and meet new people. Anyway, as always, if you are not already and you do like our content, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next trip. Decided to take a little bit of a detour. Found a cemetery. I want to check it out, so here we go. 1890, I think is what that said. Nope. Yeah. Holy moly. I know. Definitely some old graves out here. I don't think you're going to take bad juju home with you. Can't even read that. Oh my goodness. $1876, I thought it said. Well, this person was born in 1880. The other one was born in 1878. Holy moly. $1907. Well, you were in the 1800s. Wow. A long time ago. Yeah, I don't think I would
on the door?
Be using that outhouse
Look at all
at all.
Door.
Oh my goodness. I've been in some pretty rough ones in my life, but this is pretty bad.
They trying to stay warm.
Oh, thank you.